as Europe is facing a huge problem with electricity prices and industries want to optimize their operations and be more sustainable, so we are trying as best as we can to offer them solutions aligned with the EU targets.
The main idea of ELEXIA is to couple energy systems across the different energy carriers, so it's from electricity to heat to gas, connected to transport and so on. And that is the main challenge. But the boundary conditions vary quite a lot on the individual location, as we found now during our first year. So that really then calls for a solution which is kind of as generic as possible to really be able to transfer it to other sites.
So our package currently is working in 3 different fronts. So one of them is more targeted to the social aspect. So understanding what are the current stakeholders at each pilot and the actors and their perspectives. Other front more related with understanding what is the current status of the pilot and what are the technical characteristics of the assets available. And the last one, but not least, to understand what is the flexibility available in each of those pilots in order to understand if the use cases that we are implementing and if our objectives are suitable and are feasible in the future.
Every pilots have different use cases, and some pilots requires planifications, some pilots requires piloting, so controlling all the different assets that they are in the pilot sites. So we are developing tools that will be in a way tailor-made for those pilot sites, but also generalized that it can also be replicable in the future for new pilots.
We try to estimate the impact of the proposed energy systems integration from different perspectives, including environmental cost and societal impact, considering the regulatory frameworks and non-energy costs, as well as estimating carbon emissions.
So far we got deep into the different pilots in order defining the local boundary conditions, the local requirements. We identified specific use cases for a pilot. We already started with the development of the different tools, and now we have to really make the link between the tools, the use cases, but then also how to bring the different developments together in a way that we come up with a homogeneous solution at the end of the day.